Hi now.
Hi Taufik.
What are you doing?
I'm repairing my motorcycle.
Can I help you?
Yes, my pleasure. But can you call your other friends?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Hi Rio.
Hi.
Are you busy right now?
No. Why indeed?
I need you to come with me to repair the motorcycle.
Yes.
But you have to find one more friend.
Yes, maybe some can help us.
Okay.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
Can you help us?
Yes, but for what?
Traffic friends need more one person to repair his motorcycle.
Okay, I can.
Hello, this is my friend Rio and Sam. They can help you.
Hello, what we can do for you?
My motorcycle have a trouble. Can you help me to fix my motorcycle?
Yes, we can.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.